Hello, adventurous spirits, and welcome back to Alluring Atlas. Today we're donning our explorer hats and venturing off the well-trodden tourist trails to reveal 5 stunning natural wonders you've never heard of. So if you're thirsting for unique travel experiences, you'll want to dive into this deep reservoir of lesser-known natural marvels. We begin our extraordinary journey in the heart of Brazil. Tucked away in the depths of the Atlantic forest is the first hidden gem, Cachoeira da Fumaca, a breathtaking waterfall that literally vanishes into mist before reaching the ground. An invigorating hike takes you to this surreal spectacle where the water cascades 350 meters down a cliff face. Pro tip: start your hike early to avoid the heat and bring plenty of water for the journey. The second hidden wonder is nestled amidst the rugged landscapes of Vietnam. The Hang Son Doong, the world's largest cave, presents an otherworldly experience. It's so vast it houses a jungle and a river within. The cavernous spaces dappled with sunlight from sinkholes create a mystical ambiance you must see to believe. Remember, always respect the environment, pack out everything you bring in, and stay on the guided paths to preserve this unique ecosystem. Next, we journey to the land down under, where Australia's Lake Hillier awaits. This eye-catching wonder, our number 3, is a bubblegum pink lake that defies the typical blues and greens of its natural counterparts. Framed by eucalyptus forests and the deep blue Southern Ocean, the lake's vibrant pink hue offers a remarkable contrast. Travel tip: although swimming isn't permitted, viewing this unique sight from a scenic flight offers the most vibrant views. Our fourth wonder transports us to the icy landscapes of Greenland, where the Ilulissat Ice Fjord unfolds. This jaw-dropping wonder presents a mesmerizing vista of colossal icebergs floating in still waters. Adventure enthusiasts, remember to dress in layers to combat the cold weather, and a midnight sun cruise is the best way to witness the ice fjord in all its grandeur. Finally, we arrive at the lesser-known enchanting Door to Hell in Turkmenistan. This flaming crater in the middle of the Karakum Desert has been alight for over 4 decades. As the sun sets, the fiery glow intensifies, creating an eerie and captivating scene that has to be seen to be believed. A word of caution: the edges can crumble, so maintain a safe distance when viewing this fiery spectacle. These 5 destinations showcase the marvels that Mother Nature tucks away from the beaten path, waiting for curious adventurers to discover them. If this journey into the unknown has sparked your wanderlust, let us know in the comments which wonder you're adding to your travel bucket list. Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary expedition. If you savored this taste of the unfamiliar, hit that like button, and remember to subscribe and turn on notifications to join us on more incredible journeys with Alluring Atlas. Until next time, keep your curiosity alive and your spirit of adventure high.